Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, today we're doing something a little bit different. We're working with deer today. So I've got my venison right here, 2 tubes of it, and it's called Sloppy Joe Cheesesteak. It's gonna be awesome, so come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. All right, let's run down all the ingredients. We got onions, bell pepper, butter, cheese, cornstarch, broth. This is beef broth, onion, garlic, thick cut bacon. If you can't see it, it's right there. We have salt, pepper. I have the venison right here in tubes. I only need about half this amount, about a pound's worth. I need Worcestershire sauce and ketchup and flat leaf parsley. All right, first thing I want you to do is grab the meat, put it in a bowl, take your bacon you've already cooked, put that in the bowl. Garlic, the garlic powder, the onion powder, only a half teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce. The rest you save for later. And parsley. And you mix that all up. Once it's all mixed up, you're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. All right, go ahead and heat up a cast iron with a little bit of oil in it. Then take your refrigerated venison and cook it all up. Okay, next thing you want to do is make sure the flame stays on. You got all the meat out. Got the flame on medium. Put your butter in. Once that's all melted, you're going to saute the vegetables. First the onions, then the bell peppers. All right, once the butter's all melted, let's grab your onions and cook them first till they're, translucent where you can kind of see through them. All right, now place in your bell peppers and saute those into your onions. Get it all mixed in. Oh, it smells so good. All right, guys, slowly add back in your meat. We took the beef broth and mixed it with the cornstarch already. So we're just gonna pour that in. Take the rest of the Worcestershire sauce, pour that in. And then put in your ketchup. If you need more ketchup and Worcestershire sauce, you'll see as you go along. And mix it all up. And that's what you call a venison sloppy Joe cheesesteak. So my wife said I should cut this because it's gonna be a mess, especially with one hand. So let's try this. You guys ready? All right. Oh man, no, there's no way I can I can pick this up. There's no way. Better yet, I got a spoon. I am telling you, if you don't want the bun, don't have the bun. I haven't had sloppy joes in years. Unbelievable. Oh, are you still here? What's up? All right, let me put that down. Anyway, try this out. It's healthy. You can just take the bun right off and eat it just like that if you want. However you want, but try it. It's definitely a crowd pleaser, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.